Hello students, good morning. So dear students, today we are going to study the exercises of chapter 9 Desert Animals from Honeysuckle book standard 6, and this is English subject we are going to learn today. So let's start speaking exercise. Look at these sentences. Desert are the driest places on earth. Gerbils spend the hottest part of the day in cool underground burrows. Now form pairs. Ask question using a suitable form of the word in buckets. Sorry, in brackets. Try to answer the question too. So how can we write? Here we have to add some specific word और उसके आंसर भी देने हैं. Suppose one is which animal is the tallest. Instead of tall, you have to write tallest. Which animal runs the fastest? Which place on earth is the hottest or the coldest? Fourth number, which animal is the largest? Five number, which is the tallest mountain in the world? Which is the rainiest place on earth? And which is the oldest living animal? So here we have added the proper word for the question. Now let we learn the answer of the question. So first answer is giraffe is the tallest animal. Second answer is leopard runs the fastest. Third answer is Aziza Libya is the hottest and Verkhoyansk is the coldest place on earth. Answer 4, blue whale is the largest animal. Answer 5, Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. Answer 6, Mosinaram in Meghalaya is the rainiest place on earth. And answer 7 is the giant tortoise is the oldest living animal. So dear student, both these you will write in your notebook. Now let's learn next exercise talking about thinking about language. Look at these sentences. Most snakes are quite harmless, but a few are poisonous. Most snakes lay eggs, but the rattlesnake gives birth to its young. Now write five sentences like these using most and the clues below. So first number is 90% of people are honest, 10 people are dishonest. So how can we write this using most and using most? So the answer is most people are honest but about 10% are dishonest. Next we have lots of fruits have plenty of sugar. Some citrus fruits are low in sugar. Most fruits have plenty of sugar, but some citrus fruits have less sugar. Third number, every soft drink except this one has lots of empty calories. So answer is most of the soft drinks except this one have lots of empty calories. Fourth number is the majority of films are romances. A few are on other topics. The answer is most films are romances, but a few are on other topics. Five number, a majority of people are a majority of people agree that he is a good leader, just a few disagree. So answer of this question is most people agree that he is a good leader, but a few disagree. Now B, look at these sentences. Animals cannot survive for long without water. So desert animals have to find different ways of coping. The first sentence says what cannot happen or be done. The second tells us what must therefore be done. What it is necessary to do. Complete these sentences using cannot and have to or has to. So first one is you cannot reach the island by land or air. You have to go by boat. आप वो आइलैंड पे लैंड और ज़मीन के रास्ते से या हवाई रास्ते से नहीं जाते. यू हैव टू गो बाय बोट. आपको वहाँ पे बोट पे ही जाना होगा. सेकंड वन इज वी कैन नॉट सी बैक्टीरिया विथ आवर आइज. वी हैव टू लुक एट देम थ्रू अ माइक्रोस्कोप. सो हम अपनी आंखों से बैक्टीरिया को नहीं देख सकते. यू हैव टू लुक एट देम थ्रू अ माइक्रोस्कोप. आप माइक्रोस्कोप लेके ही उसको देख सकते हैं. देन third one is he cannot have a new bicycle now. He has to wait till next year. Fourth one is old people often cannot hear very well. They have to use a hearing aid. Five number, road users cannot do what they wish. They have to follow the traffic rules. Six number is She has to accept this decision. She cannot question it. 7 number is you cannot believe everything you hear. You have to use your own judgment. So dear student, here we have finished our exercises. All these exercises you will write in your notebook and submit me. The next period we shall learn something more about our English. Till then, goodbye.